Hey Sanders, this is Jessica from Peterson SEO. Thank you so much for speaking with me earlier and requesting this free video. So today we're going to go over just a couple things that are going to help you with your online presence, helping you to rank better and to get more of those leads coming in. So as you can see, we are on your website and you guys have a very nice, well done website. Your website designer did a good job on the design. Um, you do have content going on, which is good. When it comes to ranking websites, content is key. You need a lot of content and you need more than your competition in order to support those keywords that you're trying to rank for. So let's see. All right. Okay. So you do have a little bit, but not quite enough. Google wants to see a minimum of about 1,000 to 1,500 words on your homepage. That's going to be going after those buyer intent, location-based keywords that you need to rank for. Your customers may not know your brand name or the name of your company, but they know the services that they're looking for. So you want to make sure that you're going after the location-based keywords they're actively searching for. Um, the rule of thumb is about 150 words for every keyword you're trying to target. So you want to dial in your content strategy on your homepage, and you want to make sure you have back pages. Good. So you have a couple pages for your services. You definitely want to make sure that this is enough. You should have a separate page for every type of pool or construction that you're doing. If you're working on granite, tile, stone, whatever, you should have a separate page for each of those so you can focus on the content and keyword strategies. Also, since you are serving the Northwest Florida and Southern Alabama, you really need to target each individual city in those areas, a separate page, so that you can rank for the keywords in each of those communities, and Google can put you in front of those customers. Google, unfortunately, does not rank you based on appearance. They have robots called crawlers that will go out and index every single one of these pages, going through your content and pulling the keywords so that they can rank you for those keywords and put you in front of your customers. This is your number one competitor in the same service areas. They also have a nice looking website. And it looks like they have a lot more content. You can see that they're going after some good keywords. They've got a lot of the goodnight pool in here as one of their specialties. See, so they're really going after those keywords. They have the content to support them. And additional content as well. So yeah, so in order to beat these guys, you're going to have a lot more content. You need more content than they have. Um, and as you can see here, each of these locations have their very own page. So you're going to need to do the same thing. You need a separate page for every location that has any type of keyword volume for the services that you're providing in those communities. So this is something you're definitely going to want to mimic. Okay, so then the next thing here, this is a program called Ahrefs. It helps us to analyze how your website performs. And as you can see right here, your domain, which is your entire website, has a rating of a 3 out of 100 in Google's trust flow, which means that Google doesn't have much trust in your website. And that's 100% because of your referring domains and backlinks. You just don't have enough. You have 120 and a 3 score, so that says they're not the highest quality. Not all backlinks are created equal, so you do want to make sure that you're getting those high authority backlinks and that you're getting more of them than your top competitors. You are currently indexed for 241 keywords. You want to make sure that you're retargeting those specific areas in each of those communities and that you're getting indexed for those as well. Because you don't have enough backlinks and they're not working with your keywords at this time, you're only seeing about 11 people to your website on average per month. So you can see you're missing out on thousands of traffic volume. If we look at your competitor, you can see they have a 48. So that's pretty good. And that is because they have almost 3,000 backlinks. So those are pretty strong. So you're going to have more backlinks and better quality backlinks in order to beat these guys. And because they have over 400 different pages, they're able to be indexed for over 2,000 keywords, and they're seeing over 2,300 people on average every month to their website. So again, this is just showing you how much volume you're missing out on. So it's really important to work on those strategies. Now, real quick, what a backlink is, it's when one website links to your website and drives traffic to your website. Google likes this because it's like a popularity contest. So the more relevant this website is to your industry, the more power it's going to give you. And you need to make sure that they are do follows and not no follow backlinks, because the do follow backlinks will actually share the high power of those sites and help you to boost up even faster. And these backlinks should be closely tied to your keywords. So right now, pretty much all your backlinks are your brand and your website directly. They're not going to your back pages and your keywords that you're trying to rank for. So that is something you definitely need to work on. And then the last part, real quick, is this Google Map Pack, Google My Business section. So in Gulf Breeze, you are in the top 3. You're number 1, which is awesome. Yay! It's where you want to be. But you'll want to be here for all of your service areas and for your relative keywords. So you're going to need to optimize that. And in order to stay in the top 3, you're going to need more citations. You need more citations than your top competitors. And that's the name of your business, your address, phone number, and website, and listing those in a variety of places like Yelp, Facebook, LinkedIn, Instagram, Yellow Pages. So you're going to need a bunch more of those. And if you follow all of these tips that I've provided you, your website can become number 1 across Google for your service area and your keywords. Thank you so much for watching this video. This is just for information purposes, but if you do want help getting this stuff done, go ahead and give us a call at the number on your screen and we can chat. Thank you so much for watching, and I look forward to hearing from you soon.